My friends, welcome back. It is May 10th, 2023, and I was just working on a separate video while this just took place. You are looking at an active tsunami buoy. That is because the Tonga/Fiji region just got struck by a 7.6 earthquake, downgraded from nearly an 8.0. And this is not the place you want an earthquake of this size, and I think a lot of you know why. Here we are on Volcano Discovery, and this is right near the Tonga volcano, that big eruption that took place that basically shook the entire world. As of right now, it's a major magnitude 7.6 earthquake, South Pacific Ocean, 95 kilometers northwest of Haifo, Nuez, Tonga. This literally taking place just moments ago. You could see it off to the side here, and let's scroll down and see if we can get any sort of reports or anything that people may have felt on the ground. Look at that shake. That is quite an earthquake right there, my friends. And this thing seems to have jolted multiple times, with the peak of it happening right about there. So this was definitely no joke, and now we need to worry about what's happening under the ground, because this area is prone to volcanoes. We've already got 18 people on this website alone having reporting felt the quake. Obviously, a lot of people are going to feel the quake on all those islands in that area. And what's even more interesting, my friends, is our last few videos have been about this CME situation with the sun exploding, the energy hitting Earth, causing these major earthquakes. We literally said it last night. We said it yesterday again. We put a video about this last night. I did a video earlier in that day talking about this exact situation. A major earthquake taking place after the pressure of this solar wind hits the Earth's magnetic field, causing stress on the crust. And this is what happened. In fact, let's go check out exactly where the epicenter of this quake was. You can see right here along the bend of that ridge. So there's no doubt that this was felt in Samoa, Fiji, all these surrounding areas, and in a very strong way. Now, I know this area is prone to deep earthquakes, but we're looking at 110 kilometers in depth, but there is a small rule of thumb. When you usually get large, deep earthquakes, you tend to see larger, more shallow earthquakes within the next day or two. So this entire area, even going down to New Zealand, this entire fault line leading into Papua New Guinea, Indonesia, is going to be on high alert. Now, again, I was literally prepping a video talking about a new M-class solar flare that we just had that has just been stacked on top of other M-class solar flares. And when that happens, the energy from these things compact, and it makes it stronger than, let's say, just one M-class solar flare. Almost think of them as if they're pancaking on top of each other, constantly pushing that onto Earth's atmosphere. Checking out Twitter, you can already see people are going nuts over this. This is a big deal. This is a big earthquake, and I'm sure this event is not over yet. I'm sure there will be aftershocks because it was so deep. It's going to bring itself to the surface and cause more earthquakes. Now, as far as what I'm hearing right now, there is no tsunami threat, but you can clearly see that a tsunami has been set off. You can see its signature right there. So there definitely was a jolt of the water lowering and then rising quickly. That's what sets these buoys off. So when it comes to that, I guess we just got to kind of see and wait. Again, it's so crazy. I was just working on an earthquake video that I'm still going to put out after this one, but I needed to bring this information to you guys. 1 hour and 14 minutes ago, a 7.6, again, downgraded from nearly an 8.0. I even saw an 8.0 and then a few 7.9s for some of the sensors. I'm going to try to retrieve that stuff off my phone so I could show you guys that that's what the actual initial reading was for this thing. I'm telling you, my friends, this sun is causing some havoc here on Earth, and I'm not sure that it's quite over yet. Like I said, we just had another M-class solar flare just a few hours ago, which I think makes, what, 9, maybe 10 in the last day and a half, 2 days, and that is definitely scary because we are now just getting hit with that energy. We are currently in a solar storm, and again, you could read it right here. Earth-directed solar flare and CME, reverse polarity sunspot. AR3296 unleashed a double solar flare. Those don't happen too often, and you could see down here, look at this halo. Watch this. That is an incredible amount of energy, and a lot of it was shot directly at Earth. And not only that, but you're looking looking at a sunspot chart, we still have 3297 right here, which could easily produce one of those strong solar flares. We have 3300 here, which is kind of forming as it's making its way left to right. And then we have all these to worry about in the coming days. All right, my friends, I just wanted to get this news out to you. Any updates, I will bring you right away. Keep an eye on my Twitter account. I'll update you there as well. I hope everyone is safe in this area. Keep an eye on these charts. Stay safe, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.